Good afternoon! Friday afternoon! We got an unboxing video. Oh, what do we have in this box? Well, let's find out. The wife was out here working in the garage when it came. She's like, oh, I can tell you what it's not. It's not of this, it's not of that. It's like, you got that right. What do we have here in the box? Oh, geez, let me see. What do we have there? Robert. Ah, there we go. I wanted a handle. Hey, why, that's a Strike StratoSurfer. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Captain Plaz. All right, so let's see what's in the box. I'm going to build this tonight. I'm going to fly it tomorrow. I ordered that new FPV stuff that Motion sells, the 5-inch system. I've got an FPV. I might... Holy cow. Let's see, what do we got here? Ooh, we got instructions. Ooh, I like instructions. I like detailed instructions. Well, here we go. That's all you need. We got some decals. Their decals are not water. The water decals. Even though those aren't so bad to do. Heck, as a kid I used to do those. The water slides, we had them when we did our models. Well, that's kind of neat. I like this box. Whoa. All right, got one box. Let's get all the boxes out. One box. Nothing I like better about unboxing than the wrestling match, to get everything out of the boxes. I lied. We got several unboxings, and then what I'll do is I'll take all these boxes to work, take them to the recycle center, or just throw them in the dumpster by my office. And tell the wife that I actually took them to the recycle bin. What? It's actually in a bag? Where did you get the Strike StratoSurfer, Jeff? Well, I got the StratoSurfer because two of my buddies have them, and they like flying FPV with them. And I mean, I haven't flown FPV in a while. Let's see, where can I throw this? I haven't flown FPV in a while, so I decided I'm going to get back into it. And I was going to use my Casendo Advanced, but ooh, yeah, hooks. It's nice. Servos. Oh, you got to mount the servos. Uh-oh. Looks like you got a lot of mounting to do. Let's put that there. All right, let's see what's in the other long skinny box. Ah! We have the horizontal. Ooh. We have the motor pod. That box cutter is sharp, so I'll probably cut my hand right, or slice my hand wide open. 40 amp ESC. It's pretty good. And HT60. Nice motor. Doesn't look overly big, but these things fly nice. They work perfect for FPV. It's got the canopy. It's got the double canopy where you can put your cameras, run your cameras in there. So that should be an easy setup. Looks good. I like it. Looks simple. Let's see, what else we got in here? Ooh. We have a square wing tube. I like it. It feels like carbon too. It doesn't feel cheap. Ooh, ouch. That hurt. I spanked myself. Let's see, let's take all that stuff out in case I do actually take it to the, let's open this box. Gee, anybody want to guess what's in this box? Oh, I bet it's the wheels. Wrong. Stupid. We got wings. Man, they're even sealed. Oops, that's a little too much blade. I don't want to cut my finger completely off. I just want to cause enough stitches. This is supposed to be the newer version where it's got a little thicker control surfaces. I'm not going to put flaps in it yet. I might, but it's got nice foam. I don't know if you can see the sheen in the foam, but it's nice. I was thinking of painting it, but I don't think I'll paint it. So I think I'll just go with the decals. I might paint something on it. It depends if at the bottom of the wings there's no decals for the bottom, then I'm probably going to put some paint on the bottom. Looks nice though. I like the carbon rods that they've got in the front, the leading edge here. We got a rod there, even a little rod in the flaps. It has just no connectors, no fancy plugs, connectors, just the old. What are those wires called that come? Oh yeah. Might as well take this out. I'm gonna build it inside because it's like 89 degrees out here. The humidity's low today though. Yeah, it's a little weird. There's that. You can see the carbon rods in there, and it's got one up there by where the control horn goes in. Ooh, they got it set for pretty big throws. Now let's see what's in this box. Pretty light. Yeah, we got some Y harnesses. Big propeller. Big propeller. Wing bolts. Like I said, this kit is new. It's new, so again, there's a little thing online I got to look at when I go assemble it to see where all the screws go and everything. It's so new. I'll put that because I'll take all these pieces inside. What the heck? Let's see, not as many carbon rods in the horizontal and rudder. I'll foam tack all these hinges. I'll foam tack them after I put it together. But it's... yeesh. That hole, I guess it's lined up. I was going to say that hole looked like it wasn't lined up. I was going to say that's my luck. Well, there you go. The wings look nice. The horizontal looks nice. I like the carbon rod. I'm not going to mock it up like Pilot Robert does. I like the fuse. I prefer if this was in Bama red instead of tiger orange, but it's got nice vents in the side there, nice vent holes, and then it's got an exit hole in the back. Pretty cool. This wooden block here is in case you want to mount something up on the top. It goes right underneath that, so you can strengthen the plastic on the top. I know these are tough though. Heck, my buddy, he's flown his in the trees and everything else, and it came out without any damage whatsoever. I like that. You got plenty of room in there for the receiver, and you can probably load. This thing will probably carry a lot of weight. It's got the wings are pretty efficient. They provide a lot of lift. There you go. There's the unboxing. I think it went well. I didn't cut myself yet. I put the blade back so I won't cut myself. There you have it. The StratoSurfer Strike Ready-Made RC. Well, y'all have a great Friday. I'm having a great Friday.